viewers, this is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. I want to extend my sincere gratitude to God and to all of you for how far we have come. It's a doing of Him, Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Today, I am sharing with you how I prepare my simple banana digestive biscuit smoothie. So let's get started. Here I have my bunch of bananas, fresh, clean, and neat. And then I also have some vanilla ice cream. You can use any milk of your choice. And I also have my digestive biscuits, which you can also use caramel biscuits for this recipe. So I start by peeling my bananas into my blender. And we all know banana has high source of vitamins, potassium, and also helps in digestion. I really love bananas. In fact, I so love them. They are so creamy, and when I combine them with other fruits, oh my god, they give me this creamy and velvety texture I can't fathom. Then I add my crushed biscuits like I have done here. Then I add my vanilla ice cream, so creamy and tasty and sweet. I add some cubes to it and I blend them together to a smooth consistency, and ta-da! Just look at that, so smooth, so creamy, and so tasty. You should be here to taste it. So that is that. We are done. So I just garnish it with some more ice cream and biscuits, and our dessert is yeah. So kindly try your hands on it, and trust me, the family, they are going to love it. Yes, so kindly try your hands on it and send me a comment. I love you guys. Subscribe, comment, and like for more videos. Yes, so my tasty and fresh crew are going to enjoy this, and they will be like, Evie, just give me some more. Yeah, just give me some more. All right, so catch you later. Bye bye.